Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on maintaining your Lenovo Ideapad 3. Today, we will cover the essential steps to ensure your laptop runs smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started with the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a soft cloth. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during maintenance. Begin by removing the back panel. Locate the screws on the underside of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew each one. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. With the back panel off, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now let's focus on cleaning the internal parts. Using the can of compressed air, blow away any dust and debris that may have accumulated on the fans and heat sinks. This is vital for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. Remember to hold the can upright and use short bursts of air to avoid moisture buildup. If you notice any dust on the motherboard or other components, gently wipe it away with a soft cloth. Avoid using any liquids, as they can cause damage. Regular cleaning can significantly enhance the performance and longevity of your device. Next, let's check the battery. If your Lenovo Ideapad 3 has a removable battery, take it out and inspect the contacts for any corrosion or dirt. Clean these contacts gently with a dry cloth. If the battery is non-removable, ensure that the area around it is free from dust. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can be sure your laptop is in good hands. Once everything is back in place, power on your laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. Listen for any unusual sounds from the fans, which could indicate a need for further maintenance. Finally, it's always a good idea to keep your laptop updated with the latest software and drivers. This ensures that your Lenovo Ideapad 3 runs efficiently and securely. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. By following these steps, you can maintain your Lenovo Ideapad 3 effectively, ensuring it remains a reliable tool for your daily tasks. Regular maintenance not only improves performance, but also extends the lifespan of your device. Thank you for watching and happy maintaining. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.